Hello guys, welcome to the new video of IPCS Digital. Today we are going to learn about post boosting. How to boost a post from your Facebook page. So let's log into my Facebook account. Now my profile is open, and one more thing, boosting cannot be done in profile post. It is available only in pages. As you can see, there is a button to promote your page. A click on that will lead you to a new pop-up window with many options. The first one is Boost a Post. Click on Boost a Post. The next screen will show you all the posts of your page. Now you need to select the post for boosting. Next, you will get a screen like this. Now, define the audience you wish to show this post. There are different criteria like location, age, interest, behavior, etc. Now select the preferred location and age group and move on to detailed targeting. There you can enter interest, behavior, job positions, and whatever you think will increase the reach. Now you need to save the audience. Moving on, select the duration, like number of days you need to run the ad. Then the budget. Ads that run for at least 4 days gives you better results. According to the duration and budget, Facebook will show you the estimate reach. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the payment details. Now, click on Boost button. Click Continue. We are all set by submitting the ad to Facebook for review. So you can see this in the notification, and we'll get another notification once the ad is approved. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe and stay tuned to our channel for more digital marketing videos. Thank you.